Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using Nutmeg's sustainable investing platform. Nutmeg, accessible through their website at nutmeg.com/sustainable-investing, offers a unique approach to socially responsible investing. Their platform facilitates investment in portfolios specifically designed to support companies committed to environmental, social, and governance (ESG) principles. Essentially, Nutmeg allows you to align your investments with your values. They accomplish this by offering a range of portfolios focused on specific themes, ensuring your money is invested in businesses striving for positive change. These portfolios typically exclude companies involved in activities like fossil fuel production, arms manufacturing, or tobacco. Nutmeg provides detailed information regarding their investment criteria, offering transparency about where your money is going. Beyond exclusion, Nutmeg's sustainable investing also embraces positive screening. This means they actively seek out and invest in companies actively contributing to a sustainable future, such as those developing renewable energy technologies or promoting fair labor practices. This dual approach of excluding harmful industries and supporting beneficial ones aims to maximize positive impact. Furthermore, Nutmeg offers different risk levels for their sustainable portfolios, allowing you to tailor your investments to your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're a cautious investor or prefer a more aggressive approach, you can find a sustainable option that suits your needs. They provide clear explanations of the different risk levels, helping you make informed decisions. One of the advantages of using Nutmeg is their user-friendly online platform. Managing your investments is straightforward and intuitive, even for beginners. They provide regular updates and performance reports, keeping you informed about the progress of your investments. By visiting nutmeg.com/sustainable-investing, you can explore their range of socially responsible investment options and learn more about their methodology. They also offer resources to help you understand the principles of sustainable investing and how it can align with your personal values. Considering their commitment to transparency and impact, Nutmeg presents a compelling option for those seeking to invest responsibly. Remember, this is just my personal overview, and it's always a good idea to conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.